Welcome to Bitcoin Day Trading for Beginners, step-by-step guide to start trading today. Crypto enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll be diving into the exciting world of Bitcoin Day Trading for Beginners. If you're looking to start your journey as a cryptocurrency day trader, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of getting started, understanding the basics, and setting yourself up for success in the fast-paced world of Bitcoin day trading. 1. What is Bitcoin day trading? Before we begin, let's clarify what Bitcoin day trading actually means. Bitcoin day trading involves buying and selling Bitcoin within short time frames, typically within a single day. Traders aim to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations in order to generate profits. It requires careful analysis of market trends, technical indicators, and the ability to make swift decisions. 2. Setting up your trading account. The first step to embark on your Bitcoin day trading journey is to set up a trading account. Start by choosing a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that offers a user-friendly interface and robust security features. Make sure the exchange supports Bitcoin trading and offers the necessary trading tools. 3. Fund your trading account. Once you've selected your preferred exchange, it's time to fund your trading account. You can typically deposit funds using various payment methods, including bank transfers, credit/debit cards, or other cryptocurrencies. It's essential to understand the fees associated with each method and choose the most cost-effective option for you. 4. Understanding technical analysis. Technical analysis is a crucial aspect of successful day trading. It involves analyzing historical price data, patterns, and market indicators to predict future price movements. Beginners should familiarize themselves with candlestick charts, support and resistance levels, moving averages, and other key technical indicators. 5. Developing a trading strategy. Creating a solid trading strategy is essential for consistent success in day trading. A strategy should define your entry and exit points, risk management approach, and profit targets. It's crucial to remain disciplined and stick to your strategy, avoiding impulsive decisions driven by emotions. 6. Practicing with paper trading. Before risking real money, it's wise to practice your trading skills using a paper trading simulator. Many exchanges offer this feature, allowing you to execute trades without using actual funds. It's a great way to test your strategy, learn from mistakes, and gain confidence before diving into the live market. 7. Risk management and position sizing. Managing risk is paramount in day trading. Never risk more than you can afford to lose, and always determine your position size based on your risk tolerance. Implementing stop-loss orders is crucial to limit potential losses in case the market moves against your position. 8. Staying updated on market news. Keeping up with the latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency industry is crucial for day traders. News can significantly impact Bitcoin's price, and being aware of major events, regulatory changes, or market trends can help you make informed trading decisions. 9. Embracing a continuous learning mindset. Finally, always remember that learning is an ongoing process. Stay curious, explore different trading strategies, and seek knowledge from reputable sources. Engage with the trading community, join forums or social media groups to share experiences and learn from experienced traders. If at any point, in this video presentation, you would like to learn more about Bitcoin or crypto trading, please click the link in the description. Okay, we're back. We'll address some frequently asked questions about Bitcoin day trading for beginners. Let's dive right in. Question 1. How much capital do I need to start Bitcoin day trading? Answer. The amount of capital you need to start day trading Bitcoin varies based on several factors, such as your trading strategy, risk tolerance, and the exchange you choose. It's generally recommended to start with an amount you're comfortable risking, considering that day trading involves high volatility and potential losses. Some exchanges have minimum deposit requirements, so be sure to check their guidelines. Question 2. How do I choose the right time frame for day trading Bitcoin? Answer. Selecting the right time frame depends on your trading style and strategy. Common time frames for day trading include 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and 1 hour charts. Shorter time frames offer more frequent trading opportunities but require swift decision-making, while longer time frames provide a broader perspective but fewer opportunities. Experiment with different time frames to find what works best for you. Question 3. Can I day trade Bitcoin using a mobile app? Answer: yes, many reputable cryptocurrency exchanges offer mobile apps that allow you to trade Bitcoin on the go. These apps provide access to real-time market data, trading tools, and order execution. It's essential to choose a reliable and secure app from a trusted exchange to ensure the safety of your funds. Question 5. Should I use leverage in Bitcoin day trading? Answer: leverage allows you to trade with borrowed funds, amplifying potential profits but also increasing risks. While leverage can be enticing, especially for experienced traders, it's generally not recommended for beginners. Leverage magnifies both gains and losses, so it's crucial to have a thorough understanding of its implications before utilizing it. Question 6. Are there any specific regulations for Bitcoin day trading? Answer: regulations surrounding Bitcoin day trading vary from country to country. It's essential to familiarize yourself with the legal and regulatory frameworks in your jurisdiction to ensure compliance. Additionally, be cautious of potential scams or fraudulent platforms posing as legitimate exchanges. Stick to reputable and regulated exchanges for a safer trading experience. That wraps up our bonus QA segment. We hope these answers have clarified some common concerns about Bitcoin day trading for beginners. Remember, it's crucial to conduct thorough research, educate yourself, and practice responsible trading habits. As always, if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you all for watching today's video on Bitcoin day trading for beginners. We hope you found this guide helpful and informative. Remember, trading cryptocurrencies involves risks. And it's important to approach it with caution and diligence. With dedication, practice, and a continuous learning mindset, you can unlock the potential of Bitcoin day trading. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.